and these are U-shaped valley. These are, I said that, several U-shaped valley, and these U-shaped valley are perpendicular to the coast. The U-shaped valleys are perpendicular to the coast, and this valley is submerged with the coastal sea water. Coastal sea water. तो आपको यदि ये सबमर्ज्ड होगा तो कोस्ट कैसा दिखेगा? It is in a regular or broken? Regular or broken? So ये U-shaped valley क्या है? ये tell me. Perpendicular to the coast. When the U-shaped valley is perpendicular to the coast, and which U-shaped valley? Large or small है? ये large U-shaped valley perpendicular to the coast creates indented coastline. Creates what? Indented, broken coastline, and that is known as fjord. Get it? And when I say that a smaller U-shaped valley perpendicular to the coast, what it will make? Fjord. Here it is, I said that a smaller U-shaped valley perpendicular to the coast created indented coastline known as fjord. So fjord is large, fjord is small. Is it clear? So in this portion I said that कनाडा, ध्यान से देखेंगे, this is, I said that fjord or fjord perpendicular to the coast. लेकिन in the coastal region U-shaped valley is parallel to the coast. Dalmatian में L है. Can you remember parallel? And fjord में R perpendicular. I said that तो ये आपको दिख सकता है. Can you see this one? वो तो अंदर है. You can't see it. So I said that when the U-shaped valley is parallel to the coast, then these Rocky mountains are also parallel to the coast. Rocky मतलब Rockies का नहीं. Mountains range are parallel to the coast, and you can see here. Able to see? Here it is here the U-shaped valley is what? Perpendicular to the coast. It is I said that fjord, and here the U-shaped valley is what? Parallel to the coast. और जहां पे mountain थोड़ा सा छोटा हो गया तो river sea water can enter. There will be some small inlet. Understood? So simple. What I said that what is the Dalmatian coast? U-shaped valley perpendicular to the coast. And I said that, parallel to the coast, and fjord. Understood? So that can be helpful. Which can be helpful for Dalmatian will be helpful for ports, or fjord will helpful for ports. Huh? Fjord will be helpful for formation of ports. Understood it? Clear? So you can write fjord coast. Vancouver में कैसा होगा? Vancouver is in the Canada here. Vancouver में कैसा होगा? Vancouver में कैसा होगा? Dalmatian type of coast or fjord type of coast? Fjord. Understood it? Clear? Fjord. So लिख लेंगे. So port formation will be supported by fjord type of coast. Next line में लिखेंगे salmon fish. Which fish? Which fish? केवल ये ध्यान में रखेंगे. यदि आप फिश डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन में ध्यान तो देखेंगे, so ये सारे fjord से कौन? Have you seen sometimes in the discovery में fishes are moving against the movement of river? कभी देखा है आपने? And one polar bear or bear is waiting. देखा है? The jumping, the fishes are jumping. वो है salmon fish. इंडिया में भी salmon fish के फूड मिलते हैं. खाओगे, यदि खाने की आदत नहीं, it will come out. And the salmon fishes used to breed and birth in the rivers, and thereafter they get into what is an ocean throughout the life, and giving birth and they left several eggs, return back, and जब egg देने के बाद they die over there. So nitrogen and phosphates उसके अंदर होगा, वो वहीं आएगा. वो nitrogen और phosphate कहाँ से लिया? Trees से. वहाँ पे बहुत सारे large number है वहाँ forest. तो बोला जाता है कि these fish are eating this nitrogen and phosphates available in this, they are draining into this river ocean, लेकिन they again come back and then what? Then dying over there. मरते वहीं हैं अपने घर आकर, चाहे वो कुछ भी हो जाए. कुछ खा ले अंदर तो अलग बात है, in the sea. They will die in the what? River itself. Salmon fish. So just simply I said that what is the importance of fjord coast? It is helpful for the what? Formation of ports, natural ports. आपको ये दिख रहा है? ये क्या दिख रहा है? बोट है. और ये दिख रहा है क्या है? U-shaped valley in which river is moving. So we have seen erosional landform. So I am going to see erosional landform first. Box-crowned clear, large crack at the point of accumulation. Then I said that which figure I said? Which figure? What is this? Buckscroon. What is this? Buckscroon. Then Cirque. Understood? Cirque melt, Tarn Lake, Cirque, Tarn Lake. Two Cirque glacier, Arid, Cirque, Tarn Lake, Arid, and then three or more Cirque glacier, Pyramidal Peak. Understood? Killer Cirque, Tarn Lake, Arid, Pyramidal Peak or Horn. Then we have seen U-shaped valley, hanging valley, U-shaped valley, simple है. U-shaped valley, hanging valley, ribbon lake. Understood it? Then we have been able to see, yes, Roche Montoni, Which one I said that? Roche Moutoni. Then crag and tail. And then which one I said that? Roche Moutoni. This is smooth, other side is plugged, rough. And then I said that this is crag and tail. After that, which are the three types of coast we have seen glacier made? Fjord, Dalmatian. Understood it? ये देख लेंगे that this is happening calving. Calving का मतलब होता है due to global warming, some kind of, I said that what glaciers are melting and then detaching and getting into what? Calving word. And then this is what? Nunatak. What is this? We have done in the initial. Now, ये जो ग्लेशियर का मैंने बताया था कि जब ग्लेशियर मेल्ट हुआ तो लेयर ऑफ टिल्स हैज बीन डिपोजिटेड, ये वो है. These are the human being. Their height, I said that these are foreigners. Their height must be 6.5 feet, means 2 meter around. Must be 20-30 meter can be there, at least, or 50-60 meters sometimes also. Understood? And this is known as a till deposits. This is known as. Now I am going to show you one feature, and now what is this? Mountain. Looking like mountain, na? Looking like mountain, but it is not in a mountain. It is in a till deposited. It is known as moraine. Lateral moraine. जस्ट मैं दे रहा हूं कि वो डिपोजिट्स, सपोज करो ग्लेशियर मूव करता है, हाउ मच द लार्ज ग्लेशियर्स एंड दे आर कमिंग अलोंग विद द लार्ज ऑफ सेडिमेंट्स. सो लेट अस सी विद द डिपोजिशनल लैंडफॉर्म्स मेड बाय द ग्लेशियर्स. इसमें आपको जो समझ में आए आप लिख लीजिएगा. वेरी इजी थिंग्स आर देयर. First I said lateral moraine. Moraine का मतलब होता है when till